Hey there, Enrichment families. We've got a new Chicka Chicka Boom Boom story for you. This one is Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. This one's written by Bill Martin, Michael Sampson, and Lois Ehlert. And they wrote the words and drew the pictures. They're the author and the illustrators. Let's see what's happening. All right, Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. 1 told 2 and 2 told 3. I'll race you up to the top of the apple tree. Climb, said 4 to 5 and 6, bright little numbers that join in the mix. Hurry, yelled 7 to number 8, slowpoke fella, he's always late. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, is there going to be a place for me? Here comes 9 to the apple tree, next comes 10, and then 11. Wow, these apples taste like heaven. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Hot pink 12 and lucky 13, picking up apples red and green. 14, 15, they all want to climb the apple tree. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? 16's next to make the scene, climbing the branches. Here comes 17. 18, 19, and one more, that's 20. Numbers, numbers, there's certainly plenty. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Curvy 30, flatfoot 40, climbing up to join the party. 50's fine and 60's dandy. 70's hair is long and sandy. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? That's a lot of numbers up that apple tree. Let's climb more, says treetop 80, higher and higher up to 90. Until at last there's 99 and all the numbers are feeling fine. Except for 0. 0 begins to cry. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Oh no, buzzing close bumblebees, 0 hides behind the tree. Get out of our tree, the bumblebees shout, and all the numbers come tumbling out. 90, 80, 70's fall to the ground in a free-for-all. 60, 50, 40 run, no more climbing, no more fun. 30's next, then sweet little 20, numbers, numbers, no longer plenty. Oh my gosh, see the bumblebees? 19 and 18, my oh my, frightened numbers jump and fly. 17, 16, 15 more, and now 14 has hit the floor. And 13 too, what an unlucky guy. 12 had almost touched the sky. Bent up 11, wait, where's 10? 9, 8, 7, follow then. Twisted 6 and top hat 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all take a dive. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, now I know the place for me. 0 leaps high into the sky, brave little number, he's not shy. Look at him way up there. 0 lands on top of the tree and joins with 10. Now there's 100, you see. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, here is the place that's just for me. All the numbers come back out, higher and higher as they shout. Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3, 0's the hero of the number tree. And here you can count from 0 all the way to 100. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye.